The next speaker is Ms. Miller.
So it would be great to have it look like this every meeting, wouldn't it, Council? Look at this, this is beautiful. It is beautiful. So California State Legislature passed an aggressive climate change law package bill, Assembly Bill 398. There will never be an effective climate change package made to law unless it addresses anyone that depends on fossil fuels for transportation and coal, gas, and oil for utilities, and continues to buy new products and clothing of polyester origin and eats food from factory farms and continues to eat animals and doesn't curtail development of buildings that supports more small cities striking up in the West or anywhere on the North American continent. Then the government needs to make an allotment of your money, electricity, oil, water, natural gas use. This is the revolution, when people have lost their rights to independently control their application of intense conservation habits and now must be allocated enough fuel to get by for chores, arriving at work, and that is after they have moved where they work because the government has had to lower the price of homes and apartments where they work. Did you see the traffic between Marietta and Temecula backed up this past weekend? On a weekend? That was unbearable. And more houses, more apartments, more condominiums are going to continue that. If it's cold back east and you want to move to California, then blame the developers for the cold on the West Coast like Bill Liu, Ming Lian, Richmond, Brookfield, Lennar, KB, and move them on to other professions. They have caused weather change by overloading California with ability to have more people like the Camellia condominiums. All of these actions require excessive amounts of fossil fuels to bring to your consumption arenas, for restaurants to hospitals and cafeteria venues. Apartment building is outweighing single-family homes in California. What is going on is the inner city apartments, which go for $6,000 a month, are too expensive and people are coming out here looking for apartments. And Lou and Markham and the Los Angeles-based Brookfield developers are flooding out here to construct and destruct life as we knew it, with no concern for the environment. Brookfield is the one that is now increasing the houses on George Street. Brookfield owns 3.5 million square feet of rental office spaces in Los Angeles and is using Wildomar for inexpensive housing. So these people will flood back to Los Angeles to work in their office spaces every day. So the freeway problems are compounding at a viral rate. Wildomar Villages was advertised on the front page of Brookfield's website, and these city council people actually let Brookfield in the door.
Next.
You couldn't have a
all
plan
the
for
speakers that we have
Wildomar.
at
Just
this time.
a profit problem.